Hey guys, how are we all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is just a quick Binance update for you guys. Binance, MXC and 3 commas. So if you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, we will go straight over to 3 commas first. So yeah, bots working away. Obviously we've had a nice move up in these altcoins today. So a lot of the bots are fired off with profit taking. So you can kind of see here the moves. Obviously these moves in the negative are how far the price has moved against us. A couple of them have triggered safety orders. So they basically sold another 20% and then another 20%. So we've had that happen in Ren. Ren has completed its 2 safety orders and now it's having a bit of a retrace. If I just show you on the chart, yeah, you can see here Ren had a nice move up, but yeah, now having a little bit of a move down. And then yeah, also Carver has had a nice move up as well. Ooh, wrong one, here we go. Carver's had a nice move up, so that is now hitting some take profit orders too. So obviously to actually make profits from these, we need, obviously, well, we don't need to, but the price then would have to come back down to then reapply that position at a lower level. So at the moment these coins are all pumping, so this is in effect, if you think about it, lost profit, but obviously how the bots are working, that is extra profit it has made so far. So yeah, I mean, we'll have to see what happens with these. If we get a quick pullback in Bitcoin, pullback in these alts, then those will fill and we'll have plenty more coins, extra coins, a bit extra profit, and then yeah, and that'll be all good. So just quickly, I did take the DOS off here, so it transferred out the DOS that I was showing you guys before. So I mean, if I type it in here, it's gonna be gone. We've got no DOS left. I sent that over to BitMax, sold the DOS, and then sent the Bitcoin back over here, and then I reinvested the Bitcoin today. So at the moment, so now it's back all in here. So it's back all within 2 accounts, MXC and MXC and what's the other one, Binance. That's it. So we'll quickly count these up to check out what the balance is so far. 0.3 is it gonna be 0.3, is it 3.8 something, 381? Yep, that's it. And then if we go to the Binance is 0.71. Is it gonna be 0.71 something? Come on. Yeah, 0.712 we'll call it, plus 0.712. So we're back nearly at that 10% up again. This is where we were before the alts got hammered. But just obviously remember, Bitcoin was about 9,000 and change then, and we are now at well, we're at 11,000 and change. So that's a lot more fiat. We're up, and we've got our Bitcoin back. So yeah, I'm actually particularly pleased with that, because I mean, even just looking at the Binance, look, this should be 0.75 to be break even. So we've got plenty of room to run in these coins to even just get back to where we were before, and I believe that's what will happen. We'll get back at the not BitMEX, the Bitcoin will potentially have some more moves upwards, and we'll get maybe some sells off, and then that will then we'll have well, funds flow back into these alts, and we'll have a big pump in these alts like we're having pretty much today. But yeah, MXC is obviously the one. If we'd allocated it 50-50 and had this set up beforehand, life would have been a lot better. We'd been up quite considerably, because I mean, just put it in perspective, if we get to 0.5, then that would be a 2x already, and then we would have completed the challenge. But yeah, that would be 2x of the 0.25 we had in already. So we are getting carried by MXC, but MXC has got a lot of the coins that I prefer, the coins that are just the altcoins that I'm more fundamentally bullish of, and then some nice speculative coins that have literally got us like some more than 4x's. I mean, the DOS token I did buy for basically 0.2, and I sold it for 0.87, 0.087 and 0.02. So that is more than a 4x. It's nearly a 4.5x. So yeah, MXC is killing it for us. Some good trades here. Binance is a laggard, but hey, Binance is it is what it is. We're currently sat in nearly $2,500 of USDT. So obviously that is there to be reinvested. Well, the bots will do it automatically if we get a dip in some of these coins, and put our coins back on. Hedge would have basically sold some on those spikes up, and then yeah, put it back on. That is how this is designed to work. If it just runs away with price, I mean, it runs away with price, it is what it is. I'll then have to basically look to just reallocate that capital, that USDT, to another asset, but we'll tackle that at the time. So yeah, at the moment I'm very pleased with how it's going on, because we are basically getting back to where we were before the big Bitcoin rally, where it actually hammered our positions, because we were up this much beforehand. Yeah, then got hammered down, and now we're back up again. Like I said, with Bitcoin being worth more, because that is the goal, is to get to 2 Bitcoin. And then Bitcoin to be 20k. So we basically made 40k from 10k, roughly, talking round figures. So yeah, that's it. Quick update there for you guys. Quick update, and I'll speak to you guys later on with the Bitcoin evening wrap.